On July 26, 2025, two Catholic nuns from Kerala, Sister Preeti Mary and Sister Vandana Francis, were arrested in Chhattisgarh. Their supposed crime? Accompanying three young tribal women, with full parental consent, to a convent in Agra for work. But when Bajrang Dal activists intervened, the story twisted into accusations of religious conversion and human trafficking. No evidence. No investigation. Just a mob and handcuffs. Is this justice? The Christian community rose in peaceful protest. Church leaders presented all documents, valid IDs, consent forms, but their voices were ignored. Kerala's chief minister wrote to the Prime Minister demanding transparency. But the silence from Delhi was deafening. Congress leaders, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi spoke out. Rahul called it BJP, RSS mob rule, and a dangerous pattern of systematic persecution of minorities. Priyanka called the arrests a grave attack on minority rights, saying, mob justice and communal targeting have no place in our democracy. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, are Christians safe in India? Why this silence? Why no words for your own citizens, while speaking abroad of unity and brotherhood? On June 17th, BJP MLA Gopi Chand Padalkar made a shocking announcement during a torch march in Sanguli, offering cash rewards to those who attack, injure, or kill Christian priests. 3 lakh to 11 lakh for hate.
आता तुम्ही बक्षीसाची लावा, गावात कोण धर्मांतरण करायला आला त्याला ज्याला ठोकून काढेल त्याला 5 लाख रुपये, दुसऱ्याला ठोकून काढेल त्याला 4 लाख रुपये, तिसऱ्याला ठोकून काढेल त्याला 3 लाख रुपये, आणि ज्याला पूर्ण त्याचा सैराट करून टाकेल त्याला 11 लाख रुपये. हे करा. ह्यो आता पादरी म्हणत असेल मी जेलमध्ये जायला, तुला सुट्टी नाही, ऋतुजाचा जीव गेलाय आमच्या.
No evidence. Just rage. Linked to an alleged suicide, used to justify calls for murder. This isn't just political rhetoric. It's incitement. It's an attack on India's soul. More than 15,000 Christians took to the streets in Mumbai. Protests erupted across Maharashtra. Legal experts, human rights groups, church leaders, all demanded action. We're not asking for revenge. We're asking for dignity, protection, and justice. Prime Minister Modi, this is happening on your watch. Do you stand with peace, or with silence? This video is not just a cry for help, it is a call for unity. We are Christian. We are Indian. And we will not be silent. TFRCC TV stands for truth, faith, and resilience. Share this message. Raise your voice. And most importantly, pray for our country, our leaders, and every citizen's right to live without fear.